Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to disconnect your Facebook account from Instagram account. So let's get started. First, I want you to tap on Instagram app and open it. Now next, tap on this profile icon right here on the bottom right hand side. Tap here. Next, you have to tap on this three horizontal line on the top corner. Tap here. Tap on settings. Scroll down a bit and you'll find this option account center. Tap here. Next, tap on accounts and profiles. Tap here. Now you'll see that Facebook account is connected with Instagram account, and to remove it, to discontinue it, tap on Facebook. And next, tap on remove from account center. Tap continue. Tap remove again. And there you guys, the Facebook account is discontinued from your Instagram account. So I hope you guys this video helps you, and if you like this video, don't forget to give a like, share and subscribe. Bye guys.